Vivo has recently launched a new brand named BlueImage for its photographic technology. It is worth mentioning that Vivo frequently incorporates the color blue in its products. Consequently, they have chosen this name to directly rival Huawei's X100 technology. Let me know in the comments if you remember another brand of camera technology from cell phone manufacturers. At this point in time, we are currently unaware whether Vivo is terminating its partnership with Ice Universe or merely improving its software processing capabilities. This brand will debut with the arrival of the Vivo X Ultra, Vivo's first device with the Ultra variant that promises not only to have very good hardware but also a lot of artificial intelligence. In fact, Ice Universe shared with us through their X account the artificial intelligence capabilities of this device by posting a photographic example. And in this image you're looking at, you would be seeing the original photograph. But notice how the artificial intelligence of this device could transform the surroundings to make it look like a different season of the year. So you could perceive as though you were in the seasons of spring, autumn, winter, and summer. And the truth is that the photos look quite realistic. At least from my perspective, they do not appear overly artificial. Although if you zoom in, you might notice some other small details, but honestly, it seems quite spectacular and truly impressive in its authenticity. It is said that this device will come with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. So let me know what you think about this artificial intelligence feature and if you would like other manufacturers to also include it in their devices.